Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to activate your Windows as well as Windows 10 Home in SMODE to Windows 10 Home only. To continue this process, make sure you have internet connectivity. So you can use either Wi-Fi connection or you can plug in directly from router to your laptop using a UTP cable, Ethernet cable. Okay, so whichever you have is easy for you, you can do that one. Okay, so here on my laptop is Windows is already activated, or maybe in your laptop maybe it's not activated. In that case, okay, you can just click on that the red activation text, then Microsoft will automatically update for you. Now here on the Windows 10 Home in S mode, okay, so this the difference between this S mode and only the Windows 10 Home. So what is the difference? If you have a S mode means the Microsoft will not allow to install third-party software. Okay, example Google Chrome, Photoshop, and Zoom desktop client. So those are the third-party software will not allow. So this is also genuine. But if you change this S mode to another mode, then only you can install those third-party software, which is also genuine. So we have to do from the Microsoft here itself. Okay. So to continue this process, I will just teach you step by step. So make sure you just follow my instruction so that it will be very easy for you. And make sure your internet connectivity is also there. That is also important. Otherwise, it's difficult to change this mode. Okay. So let's start now. We will click on the start menu. Okay, here. Let's click here. Then choose your settings. Okay, click here again. It will pop up another dialog box. So click here on update and security. Now you will see another screen. So under this settings group, you will see another menu that is called activation. So click on that activation. On the right side you will see another screen, and just click here, go to the store. Okay, just click here. Now it will pop up another screen, and you will also see the same exact screen on your laptop. So this is a switch out of S mode. Now this is also free. Now click here on the get button, which will take a few more minutes only, and also it will display confirmation for you. So once we will change this S mode to another mode, then only you can install third-party software. Okay, so let's wait for confirmation pop up. Okay, here we go. So you are all set. You have switched out of S mode and can now install application from outside the store. Okay, we will check now whether it's changed or not. Okay, now you can close. So you can close all of those. Yeah, just close it. Okay, so we'll go to my computer or this PC, because this is the old one, so we need to close this one also. Okay, now you right click on that this PC, go to properties, and now you will see Windows Edition, Windows 10 Home. Hope this video helps you. Thank you and enjoy.